a day in a life as an independent person in Angeles, Pampanga. You know what's interesting? Wow, I can see it here. Awesome. Ang dadalhin ko nga pala ngayon yung bag ko lang na may payong, wallet, and kunin natin yung laundry natin. Papatalo tayo ng money. Tapos kakain din tayo ng brunch. Tao po. Kunin ko po yung laundry ko. 85 pesos. So this is the kanto where I live. Sobrang daming kainan dito sa tabi and on the other side. And then there are also random coffee shops and salon here. So dito na tayo sa Bana. Bago ko kunin yung laundry ko, pakain mo na. Actually, iniwan ko yung laundry ko muna. Punta lang ako doon to make sure na open sila. Kasi usually, kapag open sila ng Sunday, close na sila ng Monday. Nakikita nyo, sobrang lapit lang ang laundry shop ko. So, this is the laundry shop. Tapos, that is the building where I live. Tapos, alam nyo ba, I myself is very amazed. Kasi, sa baba may gym. Tapos, sa baba may BPO din. Parang isang hallway lang siya, pero BPO. Look at how productive this street is. There is a cafe here. There is a condominium unit. There is Tapsilogan, sari-sari store, barber shop, and everything. Let's go. We are back here sa dorm, so mag-aayos lang tayo. My duty today is at 12 noon, so what is ba? It's just 9:54, so mag-prepare lang tayo. Hey guys, so I'm all set. Nakapag-prepare na ako and all. Tapos gusto ko na i-share sa inyo yung aking sunscreen. This is my sunscreen. Currently the Oxycure Daily Sunscreen. So super ganda niya. But I have observed kasi araw-araw ako nag-shave. So kapag araw-araw ako nag-shave, tapos minsan parang normal na sa akin kapag nag-apply ako ng sunscreen, humahapde yung sa mga part na nag-shave ako, like here and here and here. Medyo nabigla ako kasi hindi na ako nahapdian. So parang sabi ko, parang this is a better sunscreen for daily dahil sa akin kailangan ko mag-shave araw-araw. Ayun lang guys, so aalis na po tayo in a few minutes. It was very hot, I was not able to film outside. Grabe sa kanila. These are very cute. Hold on. I'm super late. Oh my god, not super pero I'm 4 minutes late sa biometrics. Oh my god, I'm sorry. The best pag libre. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog. Time check, it's 12:30 in the morning. In the midnight. We're gonna eat because we're craving. Alam niyo po ba na umaambon pa? Wala akong dalang volume pero kasi nasa third floor ako. So, natamad na akong bumalik sa taas. Craving satisfied. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day ahead. And good night everyone.